Look at your cheeks. Pulang pula. Apple. Can you say apple?
We can do vinegar and...
Good job. Oh, daddy sent. Dito naman kami sa may Happy Lovey. Hi guys, welcome back. Say hi. Can you say hi? Punta kami ng Trader Joe's guys, mamalengke. Magbili kami ng pagkain. Hi! Beautiful eyes! Funny face. No. Look at her face. Ilagyan ko siya ng headband, tinanggal na naman. Okay, let's go.
She's like, do you have a binky?
No, it's right there. Grabe guys, sobrang init ngayon, 97 degree. Almost 100, para kaming nasa Pilipinas din.
Oh no, it's over 100. The humidity and feel like is 106.
Oo, grabe, ang init.
So like it's 97 out, but in the sun,
Yeah.
the feel like is 106.
Nakaloka. Summer na talaga.
It's 105 in here.
Diba? Kaya pag aalis, kailangan i-start na agad namin yung car tapos turn on yung AC para cool down sa loob ng sasakyan. Nagdala ako ng bag kasi ang dami namin bag na ganito guys. We have plenty of Trader Joe's bag. So I used them. So I brought this. So we don't have to use the new paper bag they have there, so they can use it for...
Oh, you're eco-friendly.
It's because we have plenty of it and we don't use it, so might as well.
We should start using them
reusing
in
it.
the bathroom. Instead of that little tiny trash can, we'll just put a bag there. It'll be easier.
So punta kami ngayon guys sa Trader Joe's grocery lang kasi wala nang food si Ellie, wala nang prutas. Naubos na yung prutas namin. And doon kami namamalengke talaga or nag-grocery. Pero meron din kaming membership sa Sam's Club pero hindi kami masyado nag-shop. Nag-ano lang siya online. When is the what is that? Tonkatsu coming?
It should be today.
Today.
Shoot, if you order from Sam's Club, you might die before you get food.
Sobrang
I
gutom.
ordered like a week ago.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, dito na kami guys. I really like your polo, babe.
You like this one?
Yeah, nabili ko yan sa Ukay-Ukay. Sabi ko parang bagay sa YouTube, babe. Dapat susuotin niya yan nung nasa Pinas kami. Hindi niya nadala. Mamula na naman si Ellie. Look at her cheeks! Mamula na naman.
Wala.
Simula nung bumili kami ng bag dito noon, pasalubong ko, nagustuhan namin. Pero pag pumupunta kami, hindi ako bumibili ng bag. Kasi wala talagang bag. At saka, hindi rin naman ako nagko-collect ng bag, guys. Yung mga iba lang kasi nagbebenta talaga sila. Kaso, pag yung iba naman, pinapakyaw na nila. Kaya wala ka na mabibili. Trader Joe's. Gusto namin yung mga tinda nila dito eh. Ellie, oh! My cart! Next time mag-cart na si Ellie. Finally! Lumamig kahit papano.
Sightings or something.
Oh, may pakwan.
Oh, cherry tomato.
Cherry tomato.
For salad, right?
We need avocado too.
Oh yeah.
Let's
we
put
make our own salsa.
Yeah. And we need onion. No.
We have onion.
I want the red onion. Ellie, say onion. Kuha tayo ng plastic, guys. Oh, namumula yung mukha niya, oh.
Her cheeks are.
Her cheeks are very red.
Oh yeah, yummy, huh?
Ah, namumula yung pisngi niya, oh.
Spicy.
Look at your cheeks. Pulang-pula.
Yeah, she was hot.
Ellie,
Baby. Oh, yeah.
that's a mango. Can you say mango? Mango. No, don't touch it. No.
Some salad.
And I need a potato for her. Ito yung binibili kong patatas kay Ellie, guys. Bibili ako ng malaki. Ganda kasi ito eh, para siyang kamotik yun. I need the big one. Wala silang malaki, isa lang na malaki. Sa ilalim siguro. So, pwede na to. Dito naman tayo sa may salad.
I think I'm just gonna do baby spinach.
Yeah.
Good. You want just do
One, just one.
Because it goes fast.
They go, yeah. Kapag hindi mo siya nakain, masisira agad siya.
Oh, you know what?
Ah,
I don't know how to find
Ellie. She wants apple too, babe.
Because what we can do some vinegar.
Apple. Can you say apple?
We can do vinegar and.
Good job.
We can put some through vinegar.
Yeah, yeah. Gusto niya yung apple eh.
Oh, you
Where's the
really like apple?
Apple.
Where's the apple? Show daddy the apple. Ellie.
What do you want? You want the apples?
Oh, the banana. Ellie,
looking at
banana oh.
Oh.
Oh my god.
What is this? No, can you say apple?
Apple.
Look at apple.
Tapos kuha tayo nitong hilaw pa kasi matagal, para matagal mas mahinaw. Ito na siguro ang green.
No, that's a next.
I think this one is fine, right?
Yeah, that's fine. Hang on. That's a next.
Ito yung mga pinamimim
Did you grab
namin.
a
Di pa kami
second? Okay,
tapos.
cool. We got a
I
second
want
applesauce.
buttermilk pancake. Can you grab me that? I want to try that.
Second?
Yeah. Just one. I just want to try. Ooh, ubi mochi? That looks good. Why not?
Ube and a pancake?
Yeah.
I don't know about that one.
It's always good, ube. Ube is like yum, right?
Oh, you know what? We should give.
Grabe guys, napuno yung cart namin ngayon ah. Our cart is full.
Oh yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Give them the bag.
You can use this bag.
We brought some
Thank
of our
you.
extras.
Oh. Magbabayad na kami guys and we'll see you later. Punta kami sa may... Ewan ko kung may playground sila guys sa likod. Ito malapit sa school.
Ellie, come on.
Come on. Galing ah.
Want to hold my hand?
Oh, daddy's hand. Good job. Grabe, big girl na ikaw talaga. Big girl na ang baby namin. Run! 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 Go run, Ellie. Oh no! Put it down. No.
Come on.
Go see daddy. Dali.
Come on.
Here's daddy.
Come here.
Nakakatawa yan. No. Bye-bye. Me and daddy will go. Bye-bye. That's a flower. Okay, let's go. Come on, let's go. I know. Where's daddy? Let's go.
Eliana, this way. Come on. Come
Go
hold my
run,
hand.
run.
Come hold my hand.
Dito kami sa ano guys. Ayun, may playground sila dito. Sa likod nga lang. Are we allowed to go there? Or is that only for the school?
Nah,
Hi!
we'll go play.
Hindi na namin ginamit yung stroller niya. Kasi malapit lang naman eh. Yan, may playground sila dito. Ellie, Toto. She's so happy. Bilis mo tumakbo ha. Bye-bye, Mami. Bye-bye. This is big. Oh, there's a small playground there too. Right there, oh.
Yeah.
I don't know, are we allowed here?
Probably not.
Probably not. We should ask.
Sometimes it's just because of liability.
Right, sa school kasi kami, guys. First time namin dito. We should ask.
You can go ask him. There's a guy right there.
Where?
Where are you going?
That's a big slide, Ellie. You can't go up there yet.
This slide.
We don't know kung pwede kami dito, guys. Pero wala pa naman nagsisita. Pero pag may nakita kaming tao, mag-ano kami, mag-ask. Daddy, you know there's a is that slide?
Yeah.
Babe, try that big one, babe. You go with her.
I think these guys are just like doing on some other stuff.
We can ask, do you want to go there?
No. If they got a problem, they can just be like, "Hey guys, you're not supposed to be over here." I'm like,
Right.
"Okay." What you doing?
I thought they have swing.
No, I think we gotta go to like a local
Yeah, kaya kami
park.
pumunta dito kasi akala na may swing. Walk?
Walk.
Walk. Okay, come on. There's no swing, Ellie.
You wanna
Let's go.
down the slide? Look.
Whee! Ellie. Whee! Tuwan-tuwa eh. Gusto niya kasi yung yung swing.
Is that fun?
The fun. Walk daw siya, Daddy, walk.
We'll go up again. You ready? Oh, she's gonna love rides.
I know. I don't like rides.
They're fun.
Pag lumaki daw si Ellie,
Yeah,
mag-rides daw
fun.
silang dalawa. Sabi ko, sige kayo na ng dalawa. Manood na lang ako. Nag-rides na ako dito. Yung rides nila dito, grabe. Extreme yung rides nila dito, guys. Walang-wala sa rides natin sa Pinas. Iba talaga yung trip nila dito. Siguro ang feel ko lang na medyo sa Pinas, siguro yung drop tower. Pero hindi ko tinry yun doon sa Pinas. I'm not sure kung na-try ko yun, pero siguro hindi ata.
Where you going?
Feeling ko na-try ko yun nasa EK kami, nasa
She
Enchanted.
wants to do the slide.
Kalimutan ko na. Come on! Or she wanna go there again. Mag-slide ka ulit? Happy ka?
We can go to a local park where there's a swing.
Yeah.
I can't believe they took the swings out.
They did?
Yeah, they probably did because a lot of schools,
Mhm.
you know, kids get hurt, so they just take them out. They're so worried about kids getting hurt and sued.
Right.
They take the fun out of it.
Ang laki ng field na po.
Come on.
Let's go. Run, 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 Ellie, run, run. Come on.
Oh, you're gonna go. You're gonna go.
Where's Daddy? No, 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 no. Go see Daddy. Go see Daddy.
This way, come on.
Come on, let's go. Gosh, gusto niyo bumalik sa mga slides. Babe, you wanna go back to the slides? No. We will find another playground. Dali na, we will find another playground. Go see Daddy. Hi. Is that your dada? Ellie, dada?
What?
A few moments later.
Dito naman kami sa may Happy Labi. Bibili si Mr. ng flag.
These are 4.
Where are you gonna put it?
Like in the front of our yard.
Oh, yeah.
I think 4 is enough. No,
Oh, yeah.
don't take those.
Should be.
Hey,
Kasi malapit na yung 4th of July. Oh, 50% off.
Are you sure you don't want a cart?
I'm not planning to buy a lot, but I guess we can I don't, kasi pag nag-cart ako guys, madami na naman ako mabili ba. Ay, ang ganda ng tumbler. Look at this tumbler, Ellie. Magkano to?
it's cute.
This is so cute. And then 50% off sila guys. And then this one. Wala dari, may fall na sila. Babe, look. They already have fall decoration.
So we can put her down.
Balak namin saglit lang
Don't
kami
be
dito
doing this.
kasi mag-gym ako guys.
Get in there. Okay, there you go.
Hi Ellie. Eliana. What is that? Ang cute nito guys. Oh, lagayan ko sana ng sa office namin. Ay sa gaming room namin ba. Ng mga ko. Magkano kaya? To 50% off siya. $12. So basically mga $6 siya. This is really nice. I like this. Super cute. Ang cute ng tumbler, oh. Ang cute. Magkano siya? 22. So, mga $10. Dami ko na kasing tumbler. Tapos nakukuha ko lang siya for free sa TikTok shop, guys. Tingin tayo dito, Ellie.
Baby.
Anong baby? Ano yung baby? Yung parang scarecrow daw.
Baby.
Ano yung baby?
Baby.
Yung baby.
Baby. Papa.
Dami nilang oh. Ay, ang cute nun, Ellie, oh, Bluey. Carpet. Kabili na kami ng carpet, eh. Titingin si Travis.
Ay.
Madami silang sale ngayon, guys. Kaso, ang mahal din ng price nga lang dito sa Hobby Lobby. Madami na mamahalan. Pero may iba naman kasi, may mga mura din siya dito. Dito maganda mamili kapag mahilig kayo ng mga crafts. Tapos mahilig kayo alam mo yun, kuting-ting. Dami na nilang pang July, 4th of July, decoration. Isa rin kasi yun sa malaking dito, parang holiday na Oh, ang cute na. Ayun, taray nito, oh. Ang ganda nito, oh. Yung bag. Si Ellie gala na talaga, guys. What is that?
Chart. Growth chart for her.
Oh, that's not bad.
Oh,
$3?
is that a bulletin board? Never mind. Maybe it's not a growth chart.
Oh, it's not. It's a bulletin board set. Yeah.
Baby.
Ang baby. She sees the baby.
Yeah.
Baby. Si Ellie talaga basta makakita ng baby. Baby! Ikaw, ha?
I know.
Maybe
You know what?
you want baby sister
We
or
should be
brother
getting
na, ha?
close to the acrylic.
Oh, Bluey again, Ellie. Ang dami natin nakitang Bluey.
We're looking for like an
Bluey.
acrylic paint.
Ang cute ng mga kitchen set. Baby ka na naman. Diba, ang dami na talaga, oh. Mga smell good stuff.
Oh, I wonder if my dad's got if there's a scout here where I can get him. He'll never put it together, but he'll just keep it. Do you see an international band?
Chevy. A small one. Car. Car. Ingan ni Ellie. What?
Oh, you ever do these? These are rockets. Yeah, good girl. Rocket. Oh, right here. Are these acrylics?
Yan, what is this? I think this is for paint for, I think this one, yeah.
Water based. I want oil based.
Bili kami guys ng paano namin sa 3D print namin. Pag nagpe-print kasi may mga time na,
Acrylic paint pen right there.
there you go.
Brush and fine. Black, white, and gray.
Oh, it comes with the
Water and weather resistant.
brush,
Fade
okay.
resistant. How much? $5.99. And then we get all three of them.
Okay.
That'll work.
Yeah.
That'll work. Because mainly it's white, and if we do black and we have white on black, we can blacken it.
Right.
Right here. Water and weather resistant, fade resistant, opaque ink, writes on most surfaces, recap tightly after use. All right. That's what we need.
Ellie!
Say hi. Say, okay, high five. Ellie,
High five, Daddy.
Yeah!
Yes!
Good girl.
Alright guys, saglit lang kami
Is there-
dito. Maghanap
is there-
ako ng kailangan ko guys. So, yun lang ang ating vlog. Say bye, Ellie. Ellie, can you say bye? Say bye guys. See you next time. Bye guys.